What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with this Navigator X6, and this is actually a ChopShop drone here. This one I took to the ChopShop, so it no longer has the original FC in here. I put the FC from the X8 from Simon in here, and only because I wanted to fly it with the Devo with deviation. And so now I'm out with this thing. I'm going to fly this thing with a multi-protocol transmitter. This is actually a request video from one of my subs, Termy. Shout out to you. This little flight is for you. And then we're going to fly the Bugs 3. I have the Bugs 3 out here too, but right now I'm just going to show you guys this. So I just have a little GMB 550 pack in here, and there's an XT30 on here. So the FC had some weird connection that the X8 had on it. Simon had some weird connection that they went with, a proprietary connection I believe, for the X8. So I swapped it out for this XT30. Should be enough to power this thing though. It's just a brushed motor. This drone here, when it came out, everybody thought that it had brushless motors because the motors are so big and they have this black casing on it. This actually is just hiding the fact that these are just brushed motors under here. So these are just covers. You can screw them off. They tried to pull a fast one on us, but we figured it out. But anyhow, let me show you guys how this thing flies. Okay, let's take off with it. Check it out. Hopefully you guys can see it. It is dawn now. So not a whole lot of pitch on the X8's FC, but it is a little better than stock. So check it out. Let me get some fast forward flight for you guys here. Check it out. A little dark out here to be flying this guy. So I'm just going to bring it in. Hopefully you guys got a look at it. To the Bugs 3. Okay, so there we go. Check it out. This thing has a whole bunch of pitch on deviation. You guys see how deep that funnel is? Look at it. Hopefully you guys can see it. My eyesight might be going bad. I can't really see these lights that clear out here. Well, I can see the lights, but it's just a little blurry. Deviation makes a big difference, guys. It gives you a lot more pitch, a lot more control. Makes you flying more agile. Increases the maneuverability. And I think the yaw is faster. Walking down here. So we can get a little more space to fly it. So it allows you to stop faster too with more pitch. Now I was saying that the quads that they're coming out with now don't have a lot of pitch and all. They just have decent yaw. But I wanted to show you guys a little bit of flying. This was actually a request too. One of my subs asked me to, when I was going to fly the Bugs 3 again, and he asked me to show him some things. So I wanted to show some turns for you guys that are just starting. Usually when a person starts flying, The way they turn usually in the beginning is you'll give input and then you'll stop giving input and just apply yaw. And so that's why fast yaw is usually what most flyers want, a fast yaw, so they can change directions really quick when they yaw, when they stop giving input. But I wanted to show you guys a couple of turns that'll make it easier to fly without fast yaw. And with the fast yaw, man, it gives you a lot of maneuverability and all. I wanted to show you guys how to bank. So this is a regular turn, a normal turn. I call them sliding turns. This is it here. You stop, give yaw, and then you go the other direction. So I wanted to show you guys some banking. So with banking, you keep forward flight. You keep the forward pitch. You never let off on the forward input. You just apply some aileron and some yaw. So let's check it out. Here it is. It allows you to fly smooth circuits like this. You can keep forward input and just navigate the craft. Looks a lot better, looks more smooth, and it can actually be more agile. I'm telling you, some of the quads that I fly around with, and I might be saying it's a lot of fun. Some of you guys might not think it's a lot of fun. And I think it's the way that some people are flying. They don't do banking and stuff. Here's another turn. It allows you to turn even quicker than this regular banking here. I call it a funnel turn, and that's where you give a lot of forward input and apply yaw. Now let's check it out. You guys see that? I call that a funnel turn because that's the way you do funnels. You could go right into a funnel like that. Let me bring it up close. And my battery is low. I was flying this a little earlier. Okay, so one more turn to show you guys before the battery goes. I call this a braking turn. Air brakes are when you fly forward or you fly any direction and then you slam input to the other direction to stop it from moving. Up, and we're going down. I guess I'm going to have to show you guys that in another video. Let's shut it down. Hopefully you guys enjoyed what I've showed you, what I've shown you just now. And thanks for watching.